guys, we are in the cinema. This is going to be part 5. Go in the cinema. So, right now the show hasn't started yet. It's just a white screen. It's just a white screen. It's just a white screen. So, but at least we have a thunder here. Wait. Sana I had popcorn. So, this is my first time watching in a cinema in 5 years. 5 years. And there's the fire exit over there. Over there, that's the fire exit. So, oh wait, no, actually there's 2 fire exits. And I'm so excited. But it is hot. There is no electric fans to cool us down. Sayang. But anyways, Princess. Hi. So, here, that's my classmate over there. Princess, say hi. Thank you. Hi, Nigo. Hingi. 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 So since there's no electric fan, I am very sweating. And, hey, Jay! Wala po.
Dito may nakaupo isa. Dito, meron. Dito meron.
Di ko po alam. Di ko po alam.
Dito wala? May nakaupo? May nakaupo? Dito ka na, ma'am.
Wala po. So, I am going to end the video now. And this is up to Dimitri. See you in the next part.